There's a better way to manage maintenance, repair, and overhaul parts. The new EnterpriseOne Search from Oracle is a great addition to the tools foundation, but it still falls short when it comes to searching for storeroom parts. AMS has solved that problem and many others with MRO Plus, a suite of utilities that eliminates the frustrations of searching for inventory, allows you to create on-demand parts on the fly, and lets you select from a list of approval routes so the right department can approve the purchase. MRO Plus enhances the Oracle JD Edwards EnterpriseOne software by providing an elegant inventory search function that works a lot like Google. We've removed the 30-character description limit so you can search for any way you describe the parts. We also tackled the frustrations and confusion by eliminating case sensitivity of your searches and narrowing the searches to your storeroom. Once you find the part you want, if you need to order it, you can quickly generate a purchase request for your purchasing department that will document all of the details of your part request and track any clarifications to the order before the buyer submits the requisition down the approval route you have designated. In short, MRO Plus saves you time and money. The AMS MRO Plus suite includes the following enhancement features: Google-like enhanced item searching, extended item descriptions to eliminate that 30-character limit, item specification data and item specification searching, enhanced equipment parts list, purchase order approval route selection, and purchasing approval route delegations for vacations and other employee leave. We invite you to schedule a demonstration with our team today so you can see the solutions we provide for you and your industry.